Right now, thousands of people in your city are searching Google for exactly what you sell. But if your business isn't showing up in the top 3 local search results, the map pack, you don't exist to them. You are actively handing revenue to your competitors. Today, we aren't talking about expensive paid ads or complex digital marketing strategies. We are talking about the single most powerful asset for local visibility, a fully optimized Google business profile. It is entirely free, and it is the foundation of local SEO and answer engine optimization. If you want to claim your market share, you need to be there. Most business owners treat their profile like a static phone book listing. That is a massive mistake. Google uses this data to answer direct user queries. If your profile is incomplete, unoptimized, or worse, suspended, you lose traffic instantly. In this video, I'm giving you the step-by-step blueprint to set up your profile the right way, alongside the critical mistakes that get accounts banned by Google every single day. First, navigate to google.com/business and sign in with your professional Google Workspace account. Search for your business to see if a legacy listing already exists. If not, click Add Your Business to Google. When entering your business name, use your exact legal real-world business name. Do not stuff it with keywords like Best Plumber Winnipeg Fast Service if that isn't on your storefront or registration papers. Google's algorithms catch this, and it's a fast track to an immediate suspension. This is the most critical lever for your local search visibility. Your primary category tells Google exactly what you are, not just what you sell. If you are a marketing agency focusing on local visibility, choose Internet Marketing Service. If you are a general contractor, choose General Contractor. Do not choose a niche subcategory like Bathroom Remodeler as your primary. Save those for your secondary categories. Step 3. Specify your location type. You have 2 choices here, storefront or service area business. If customers visit your physical office or shop, enter your exact address. If you deliver services to customers at their location and don't have a public storefront, leave the address blank and define your service areas. Step 4. Contact info and website. Enter your primary business phone number and your website URL. Ensure this exact formatting matches how your information appears across the web. Consistency is a core ranking factor. Setting up the profile is only half the battle. Surviving Google's compliance filters is the other. Avoid these 3 common pitfalls. First, never use a P.O. box, a UPS store address, or a virtual office address. Google knows every single commercial database address. If you use a fake address, your listing will be flagged and suspended automatically. If you work from home, list it as a service area business and hide your residential address. Mistake number 2, the keyword stuffing trap. It's tempting to add extra cities or service keywords to your title. Don't do it. Keep your description natural, professional, and focused on your core value proposition. Let your reviews and secondary categories do the heavy lifting for your keywords. Mistake number 3, neglecting the verification process. Google will likely require video verification or a postcard. If you choose video, be prepared to show proof of registration, your branded tools, or your physical workspace in one continuous recording. Do not delay this step. An unverified profile will not surface in search results. Once you are verified, the work doesn't stop. To dominate the local map pack, you need an ongoing routine. Build a systematic process to gather authentic reviews. Respond to every single one, professionally and promptly. Upload high-resolution photos of your work, your team, or your office regularly. Authentic photos build immense trust. Treat your profile like a social channel. Post weekly updates, offers, and company news to signal activity to Google. A fully optimized Google business profile is the highest leverage asset you can build for your local digital footprint. It positions you directly in front of high-intent buyers exactly when they are ready to convert. Drop a comment below if you ran into any issues, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more no-nonsense strategies. Thanks for watching. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up. Visit us at elitedigitalgrowth.com for your free AI audit, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's get to work.